In this tutorial, I will show you how to add any design to the clothes that you want. So, let's get started. Click on the Open button to open the folder. Select the image that you want to add design to it, and click on Open. Press Ctrl or Command +0 to fit an image into the screen. Now, import the design that you want to add to the clothes. So, go to the File menu. Click on the Place Embedded. Select the design image from your folder. Select the design and click on the Place button. Scale up and down according to your clothes. To scale up or down any design proportionally, click on the corner of the transformation container and drag inside to scale down, and drag outside to scale up. Place it as per your requirement. You can also rotate your design as per your requirement. Hit OK. Change the blending mode from normal to linear burn. You can also choose to multiply. It all depends on your cloth and design color. In my case, I got the proper output in linear burn. Double-click on the design layer to open the Layer Style panel. Don't drag the points like this. Hold Alt plus left-click to break the points. Adjust the value of these points according to your requirement. You can play with all 4 points to get better output. When you are satisfied with your result, then hit OK. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon. Select Hue, Saturation. Click on the Clipping Mask icon. Change the saturation as per your requirement. If you like my video, then hit like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment box. Thanks for watching.